records at invoice price. Branch debtors method. When goods sent to branch at invoice price. According to this method, the rule for preparing branch account are just the same as in the case of cost price method. Same as in the case of cost price method. The main differences is that the opening stock, closing stock, goods sent to branch and goods returned by the branch are shown on invoice price. Hence, for preparing profit and loss account, the prices of all items are to be adjusted. The adjustment all entry are made as under 3 column serial number, case of entry and journal entry, and 2 column of amounts. First entry for branch opening stock. Entry are branch stock adjustment account DR to branch. Branch stock adjustment account DR to branch, being the excess in the value of branch opening stock adjusted. And second, for goods supplied to branch, good sent to branch adjustment account DR to branch. Good sent to branch adjustment account DR to branch, being the excess in the cost of goods supplied adjusted. And third, for return of goods from the branch, to branch account DR to good sent to branch adjustment account, being the excess in the cost of goods returned by the branch. Third entry. And last, for branch closing stock, branch account DR to branch stock adjustment, being the excess in the value of stock account of branch closing stock. 4 entry are made. Calculation of actual price. Material sent to branch by head office on invoice price. Second method of branch debtor method. Second part, calculation of actual price. Generally, the owner of the business does not want to tell the actual cost of goods to the branch managers. Hence, the goods are sent to the branches on sale price or invoice price, which is calculated by adding a certain percentage in the cost price. In the question, sometimes percentage on sales or invoice price is given, and sometimes percentage on cost price, and the goods sent on sale or invoice price is given. Under such conditions, both percentages are converted in order to calculate cost price. In this consensus, the general rule is that if percentage is given, then other ratio can be calculated by subtracting or adding in demonstrations from the denomination from the denominators. If profit is 66, 2 divide 3% on cost, mean 2 divide 3, then it will be 2 divide 3 plus 2 is equal 2 divide 5 on cell. Similarly, if if profit is 40% on cells, is 2 divide 5, then it will be 2 divide 5 minus 2 is equal 2 divide 3 on cost. It is clear from the above the percentage of profit on sales is less in comparison to cost. If the profit on cost is 1 divide 2, then it will be 1 divide 2 plus 1 is equal 1 divide 3 on sales. Similarly, if profit on cost is 100%, 1 divide 1, then it will be 1 divide 2 on sale. Profit on cost is 50%, mean 1 divide 2, then it will be 1 divide 3 on sale. Profit on cost 33.33% mean 1 divide 3, then it will be 1 divide 4 on sale. Profit on cost is 25%, mean 1 divide 4, then it will be 1 divide 5 on sale. Profit on cost is 20%, 1 divide 5, then it will be 1 divide 6 on sale. Profit on cost is 10%, 1 divide 10, then it will be 1 divide 11 on sale. Profit on cost is 5%, mean 1 divide 20, then it will be 1 divide 21 on sale. Profit on cost is 40%, mean 2 divide 5, then it will be 2 divide 7 on sales. And last, profit on cost is 75%, mean 3 divide 4, then it will be 3 divide 7 on sale. Branch adjustment system. According to this method, all entries in the branch account are made on sale price or invoice price, and a separate branch account adjustment account is prepared for the adjustment of increased price for invoice price. Branch adjustment system. According to this method, all entries in the branch account are made on sale price or invoice price, and a separate branch account is prepared for the adjustment of increased price. Thank you all dear students for listening me. Thanks.